Hey guys, my name is Allison. I'm a grad student here in Tokyo, and today I am back with another fukubukuro or lucky bag opening video. My favorite one, the one I try to get every year, the Mr. Donuts Pokemon lucky bag. Look at this box. It's huge, it's giant. So this time I got the top tier, most expensive one. I think this was 5,000 yen or about $50. Now the thing with this lucky bag is they tell you what you're gonna get ahead of time, or they show you like a few options of what you could get, like different patterns of the same item. So you always know what you're gonna get, and it comes with free donut coupons. Free. I think for the $50 one, it was 225 donut coupons, I think. I'll check on that. I don't know. Put it here. But I gave those to my friend who got this for me. So I only have the items, which is all I wanted, because I don't want all those donuts. So let's open this bag together. They do tell you what's in it ahead of time, but it's been so long because it's February right now. I don't remember anything. Okay. So there's nothing in the box but this giant bag of everything. Okay, let's start with the largest thing. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a Pikachu cushion. Oh, it's so cute. I need scissors. Okay, let's open it. I think it's gonna blow up as soon as it hits air. Ta-da! Oh, this is so cute. Look at this thing. I really like this. He's so cute. The donut and the winking. And the back is like his tail. This is so cute. I love this. Put him right here. All right, let's keep going. All right, next up we have an agenda book. So we have the same design Pikachu here. The back we have some little Eevee evolutions. It's very cute. You know, I hadn't actually bought an agenda for this year yet since I was away, so I may just use this. We'll see. So it starts off with monthly spreads, like that, or this, and then it goes to weekly spreads like that. Oh, there's actually different cover options. So this is the base book, and then you can have this cover, or this cover, or this cover, or this cover. Wow, that's really nice. I didn't know they did that. I'm gonna have to pick one out later. Let me know your favorite in the comments. I think I'll do this one. I quite like the evolutions. Okay, next. Oh, this is kind of lame. So it's just literally like a Ziploc bag. And it's only one of them. I don't know. I think this is kind of stupid. I'll put something in it. All right, next up we have some masking tape. So this is what the pattern is. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. It's just a bunch of evolutions with donuts and non-evolutions. Pokemon. What am I saying? Yes! This. Thank God. So I got this fukubukuro last year too, and it also had a pouch, but I thought the pouch kind of sucked, like the material. Like it was like a cheap vinyl. But I guess people complained about it, thank God, because now it's this really nice material, like a pleatherish. I don't know what this is. And I got the pink one. I'm so happy. I think they had 2 or 3 different colors. And then the inside. This is a very nice pouch. I mean, not like very nice, but I'm very happy with it. It's nice. A lot nicer than last year's too. Okay, next up we have the calendar. So this one shows 2 months at a time, just like last year. It's nothing special, but I hang this up on my door and I really like it. It's fine. I mean, it's pretty cheapish, but it's fine. I don't have any complaints with it. And then lastly, it's something yellow. What is this? An eco bag? It's huge. And the back is this. Okay, it is an eco bag. It's like one of these reusable bags that you can take to the grocery store and stuff. It's huge, actually. I really like how big it is, even though the material is a little cheap. So I don't know how much heavy stuff I'd feel okay with putting in. Like, look at that. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm gonna use this. I mean, it's ridiculously cute. So yeah, that's everything from the Mr. Donuts Pokemon Lucky Bag. They do it every year. I recommend getting it next year if you can, if you're in Japan or something. What do you think? I think it's a really good deal. Even if they didn't give the donuts out, I think I'd still get it. Maybe. Yeah. Like, I really like this cushion. And if you need an agenda book and stuff, it's really good. But yeah, I think the designs they're just so cute. And you know what you're gonna get every year, so there's no wondering if it's gonna be garbage or not. Yeah, I'm very happy with the bag or box. Let me know your favorite item down below in the comments. And make sure you like the video, please. It helps me out so much. Please, please. And subscribe for more content about my life here in Japan in the future. All right, I'll see you guys back here again next week as always. Bye!